My name is Brittany H. I work at CSL Group as the Ancaster Maintenance Operations Manager. I have been here for 4 years now. I do a variety of tasks from scheduling and planning. I go through equipment, make sure all the crews are set up with everything and what they need. In the winter, I grease machinery, make sure they're full, count salt dome requirements and how much we have still in stock, and do site checks on basically daily. So I love my job. I love the different tasks I'm challenged with. I started as a gardens foreman, and then I moved into a cutting roll foreman, and then into operations. CSL has offered a lot of training through CSL. I have got my CLT, so I'm now a certified landscape technician. Through Landscape Ontario, I've received my pesticide license, my Book 7, my first aid. The training opportunities here are endless, and they really want everyone to be able to advance. I love working for CSL Group because of the people I work with. It's very family oriented. We are basically like a big family. I enjoy coming to work. I look forward to coming to work every day. Everyone has your back. There is always someone here that will help you, and if that person can't, they will find you someone that will. If you're looking to make landscaping a career, CSL is the optimal choice. Whether it's the training, the advancement, the promoting from within, you can grow here, which I think is key for anyone who wants to build a career.